Like you guys have a lot to talk about. I should mosey.
Yeah, me too. But we'll see you tonight, Lenny.
See you at 7!
A 7.9 magnitude earthquake hit the capital of Canada. You must stay safe until the earthquake ends. That's why you should not go outside. The Canadian president and government has created a special forces to investigate the earthquake. You must wait for an update of the situation of Toronto. The special forces is killed. The city of Toronto is now under evacuation. You must attempt to go to the police station or police website. Earthquake ends after 8 minutes and 1 second.